Hello students, in this video you are going to learn about CBSE Science second chapter, that is acids, bases and salts. First we will learn what is meant by acid. The word acid derived from Latin word acidus, which means sour, means the substances which contain acids or sour in taste. Vinegar is a substance which we are using for various purposes. Contain an acid is known as acetic acid. Similarly, naturally available fruits like lemon and oranges are sour in taste, which contain vitamin C. Yes, is also an acid. And vitamin C fruits are known as citric acids. The other name for vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Here you are observing a table, a list of organic substances which contains acid. Organic acids are those naturally available acids from plants and animals are known as organic acid. Just once we will look into this table. Citrus fruits, lemon and oranges has citric acid. Sour milk and curd has lactic acid. Urine has uric acid. Sting of bees and ants formic acid. Rancid butter butyric acid. Tamarind and grapes tartaric acid. Apples malic acid. Fats stearic acid. Gastric juice hydrochloric acid. Vinegar has acetic acid. Tea has tannic acid. Tomato has oxalic acid. Food preservatives contain benzoic acid. These are naturally available acids. Those are called as organic acids. And look into this table. This is a table contain list of inorganic acids. Inorganic acids are those which prepared in the laboratory. And this table, whatever the acids are there, these are commonly using in the laboratory. Just we will go through the name as well as its formula. Hydrochloric acid HCl, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, sulfurous acid H2SO3, carbonic acid H2CO3, phosphoric acid H3PO4. Here down you look into an equation. HCl is an hydrochloric acid. On dissolving HCl, it liberates H plus and Cl minus ions. Again these H plus ions treated with water molecule and forms hydronium ions, that is H3O plus ions. According to Arrhenius, what is the definition of an acid? Acid is a substance on dissolving in water, it releases H plus ions. These H plus ions are positive in nature. On treating with another next coming water molecule and forms hydronium ion. Next, we will go through base. What is a base? Base is a substance on dissolving in water releases OH minus ions. And OH minus ions are negative in nature. And a base is a compound which reacts with acids to produce salts. According to Arrhenius concept, again I am giving the definition of a base. When base substances are dissolving in water, it releases OH minus ions. Here a table which contains a list of bases. Calcium oxide CaO, sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide CaOH taken twice, magnesium hydroxide MgOH taken twice, iron hydroxide or ferrous hydroxide FeOH taken twice, ferric hydroxide or Fe3 hydroxide FeOH taken thrice, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. These are few examples of bases with formulae. And next we see what is an alkali. Alkali is a base in general which dissolves in water. All bases do not dissolve in water. There are few bases which can dissolve in water. The bases which dissolve in water are known as alkali. On dissolving in water, bases releases OH minus ions. Here is a list of alkalis: sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide CaOH taken twice, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. These are few bases which can dissolve in water. The bases which dissolve in water are known as alkalis. Just look it down. Here are the few examples of bases which do not dissolve in water: copper 2 oxide or cuprous oxide CuO, lead oxide PbO, zinc oxide ZnO, lead hydroxide PbOH taken twice, ferric hydroxide FeOH taken thrice, copper hydroxide CuOH taken twice, and magnesium hydroxide MgOH taken twice. These are few bases which do not dissolve in water. So these are not alkalis. These are simply bases. Now just we will go through again the definition as well as facts about acids and bases. An acid is a substance that produces H plus ions. A base is a substance that produces OH minus ions. This controls the properties of acids and bases. Just once look at a glance of properties of acids and bases. Acids turn blue litmus to red. Acids are sour in taste. Acids corrode metals. Acids have positively charged ions. Bases turn red litmus to blue. Bases in general bitter in taste. Bases are negatively charged ions. Bases are slippery in touch. Most of hand soaps and drain cleaners contain bases. Strong bases are caustic. I hope you learnt about acids and bases. Thank you.